Hello, today's video is the second part of On-Page SEO. I will tell those who have not seen the previous On-Page SEO to watch this video first, then watch this video. And you can watch this previous SEO video by clicking on the eye icon above. In these two videos, I am going to explain to you theoretically how to do on-page SEO. And one of the following videos, I will show you how to do on-page SEO practically. First video, we see first 7 topics we covered. And this video, we cover last 7 or 8 topics in this video. First is OG tag. What is OG tag? When we share a link to a website on social media such as WhatsApp or Facebook, there is an image show and some content in shown, like this one. We share the link, the hindu.com website, and next we see the image, this one image, and next is some content. First share the link, second is image, and third is content. Same as WhatsApp social media app. We use the OG tag for the image and content that we see after sharing the link on the social media like Facebook and WhatsApp. This is clear? Next is Twitter card. Twitter card we use for Twitter social media. When we share link on Twitter, there is an image show and some content is shown. For this reason, we use Twitter card. Twitter card and OG tag we use same purpose. OG tag we use for Facebook and WhatsApp and other social media. Twitter card we use only Twitter account. And is green, 3 green. These 3 topics together are called technical SEO. Once we do technical SEO, we don't have to change it again and again. Let's take on overview and see how it works. Okay. Robots.txt. Yes, this one. Robot.txt file we use to keep a web page out of Google. Blogging indexing with no index or password protect the page. Like for example, this is a robots.txt page or file. Here first write allow this one and next write disallow application. Allow means we index this image or file index on Google Search Console. Disallow means we hide or block this application or this page from Google Search Console. we cannot index this file. This purpose we use here robots.txt. We hide and show file. Okay. Next is sitemap.xml. XML sitemap is a list of your website URL. And sitemap also tells search engines which page on your site are most important. For this purpose, we use sitemap.xml page. Next is Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool that helps users measure their site traffic, see keyword performance, fix issue, and receive message from Google about their website. Means this is a website dashboard where you can management or you can see how to improve your site day by day. Next is social branding. Add social account in your website. When you create a website, then must be important add your social website in your website. And you have to post or share some related content on social media that is related to your website. This is social branding. And second is image optimization. Here I will suggest you, here you will always use WebP image. We will use WebP image for this because the file size is much less. Image optimization is very important. And last one is Rank. We can do SEO analytics with this tool, which means we need to modify what is needed on our website. For example, open Pro SEO tools first. Rank. Click the Rank. My site. Copy the link. And paste here and create review. Here we see the overview my website. The pass to improve error. First pass. Pass mean what actually we need here. You see the pass, meta description, where actually need for our website. Meta description, heading, attribute, in-page link, indexing, robots.txt, XML sitemap, canonical tag, broken links, mobile friendly or responsive, security, and navigation, analytics, Google Analytics here. We add Google Analytics in my website. Total overview, error. What error in my website? Language declare missing. Sitemap validity. Robots tag. Mobile tab target. Structure. Schema org. Twitter card is missing here. Security. Performance. Image optimization. And backlink score is bad. Traffic is very low. Total overview here we see social branding or social profile missing here. Facebook page missing, Twitter account missing, Instagram account missing, LinkedIn account is missing here. If anyone needs on-page SEO for a website, then I will make them on-page SEO. Please comment. Thank you.